Generation 19 na hoga untuk gua. Photo session kori na juga. 19 na untuk gua.
Mana gua? Turki.
In memory of Guru Namaji, Maharla Muno. Fourth contestant, Ravdanda Bhamuno, Loi Flegam, Hizbet Ablanam, Kundana Ji, Jawaba, please. Akama Mahari. Naru hai, flag hai, tarlo anam naru, dalok to ka. लोई आओ जिंदाबाद लोई आओ जिंदाबाद लोई आओ जिंदाबाद ओनली लोई आओ ओनली लोई आओ
Hello.
Good morning. Very happy new year to everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you to the fourth conference of Loia Welfare Society. Conference of Anam Legabe. Welcome Emla. agam kumuri kidagna ngoka muga hinam hiloga conference of a chief guest Sri Horbaloi Alo Welfare Society Loka President Sri Mokuloi Chief Advisor Sri Doluloi Secretary Sri Remiloi Executive Body Members Oka Kabu Pakam Gumin Hoin Loka Akumna Asaber Au Nelinangogade Hiloga Ase Aruna Makuma Nunuga Hamba Lula Jala Yenam Higi Hi Naruam Muken Yanam Agom Beidu Embin Ba Mo Hi Anna Bamu Agom Expression is Ikadi Pamam La एक सेंटेंस में इंग्लिश में ही अन्ना को मेंजला पे हमला मुदांगदा योम दिनादी हमला तमाबका It's an immense honor and pleasure to see such a distinguished gathering of experts, innovators, enthusiasts here today. Okka naruam mukenya ragoma bugoda goloka Dabino buga lutu hunna munuga loya wa bilohi gituliktu amin ma ibunuga loya wa buga ba loya wa pada katamla yedunaka okka loya wa munuga pada katam kunoka inuto nakam na koi budakna Lamba in Mabuna Muna, Pagama Jukamla, Buda. Hinoga, Moga, Inado, Loya, Yego Golaga Beju, Loya, Yanam Makakan Doga, Elba in Magunda, Hilo, Agamayamsin, Mudi Ladola, Mendi Ladola, Zika Hila Jukamla, Momudak Night. It aims to foster feelings of brotherhood and mutual understanding, to imbibe the spirit of discipline and sincerity. Amba idaknaka, amba inma, hiloga alaugo, muga, naruga, hennam panamam, munam monmam, hi mengen hit aluaku. Nangunna hilo narua mella juga oka agak ko henya naga menmam tala juga aguma hamba aliba taga pipolo muga polo munga loya yanam dun mehin yaken yelbam lago mudag nai. I encourage each of you to engage fully, share your unique perspective and seize the numerous opportunities for growth of Loya. Oka hilo conference and the kakan be idbam la. Kalau tuni emmaba inala ilmen la kami gnagadam organizing committee, sponsors, volunteers, naruam nengo sincerely thanks amdagna. My heartfelt thanks and sincere gratitude to the organizing committee, the sponsors, volunteers who work tirelessly to make the conference a reality. Hiloga conference him success doba narua mudum haldum lajuka alolo dum lajuka amla mendana heya na gatiga mendamam okamunam monmam tat bangun aku bihunaka tagapyom mugapyom Loya ga yanam dun ma aliyelpa amla mudo. Let's make the conference a memorable success as we come together to hear, innovate and build the future. Naruam doi polo ayalaka Thank you once again.
Kabu awnya magadam munna hima lone conference rotola saksa ba payment dagem lai juyu 12,650 wo metra lo jeda mai again bakam awnya magadam sin ambai daga hisin bakam awnya magadam sin 12,650 wo munna unna loy awam yegduk na unuk anabo ejui kam ek asabu ek dadna ok loy laga ba mudu modum jan ek anabo ejui kam asabo ek yaka ka de hilo munna munuk du bhoga du kuma munna totte kula munna ek lo munna ngen ka ku emin ma hilo munna munu mu pala Unani na condolence do letu yolo yeng dak blessing alle wa yeken duken ba yege ka iba member la yege ka am langu lu mu ga mo ga ba yo ba ye pit ga ba no creator lo hinno iba member la yege ka am la ok no creator lo lok ga unnam no ayam asirwadan jikur kam ba ka lo ya ga de no kahina phugai ba ga la nunu gaiba mula ilmen layet ba nunu asirwatam jikur ba kamla unna loy agad kundu over. Thank you.
TGT is member of the drafting committee. Mo hilobe munu agmai mennam aba record loyaba mo munu assistant professor lido loyine drafting committee ga chairman be appoint dangna ok mu iburba Sri Moken loyi TGT member be appoint dangna menda
Muga loy rungtum loka akum hina anabo uzikam asabar naruam ne hiloga alwam logam ba ndakla munuka 2022 loka 2025 3 years tenure lo nguna society ga lagaba yo kam go ibedu ilpam la try vedu agamne ngunu reportam hilo officially furnish jidu aminma please allow me to allow me to read point wise go rirok jidu aisa hum bidu the present executive bodies for the session 2022-25 assumed the office on dated 15 January 2022, having been selected in the third general body meeting held at Kabu with effect from 13 to 14 January 22. Ogomunu inya office law assumed toku. I mean, magunu executive body law 21 as per present by law 21 members go Kadu headed by its chairman Sri Mokiloy APCS admin grade retired with myself as the general secretary of laws. Focus were given on the resolutions points passed in the third general conference. And accordingly, following works were taken up during this tenure. Number 1, the draft bylaws having been approved during third conference has been published for registration of the society, that is laws. The attempts for society registration were made, but met with an obstacle, particularly in 2 points. Firstly, a plot of land with building either government allotted or certified with LPC, land possession certificate, could not be found, whereas the society registration criteria asked for it. Agamne gunuklo kodeka ma building kama iyo munu registration ila mamla application namne jikur duku. The clearance and non-clearance certificates are enclosed in this report for future record, which will be submitted to the chairman. I mean, bylaw amne stress munu senior members, well-wishers, authorities, narwa yobit besit iktoka amla. And we are also committed try nama ijaga menam point ani society registration local alto in the last 3-4 years law office ide ko location ko karu pa lagi du lamendu in agam ko de discuss idu cases solve ho sakta hai. Second point is that the Loi clan genealogy had to be updated as the old one published in the year 1996 had omissions of young generations. Hence, the present genealogy book contains all the names of our clan members born up to 2024. It has been updated in such a way that the forefathers who are not alive are marked with the word late, and the mothers and daughters are also included with a marking of plus and D respectively. Munuk amnem sin eligitu nguga atabga nguga nimam nyamgam nilosat lo plus ngdola eligitu dundariam kabage aw amgadam sin eligla indu jese go remi mir misha amla eye lekin bracket lo D am eligitu ai. So in the genealogy book is ready with us, which was verbally earlier approved by former president of Islam Lasingulu. We could not put forward for vetting because there were technical problems. Number 3, efforts were made to get an anthem composed for our society, but it could not be done due to lack of good lyricists within ourselves, which may be carried forward to next tenure. Munu mojbaka amgan nennime nanga damsin request la barbeli ba ilangu member aralo ibe idola composition amjaba time kama ba iblapa o mana ngok mun ba snn ba ibdu kozga opening song ne nam amsela se ibolo aljaba conceive la fenium card gudram and him ngok loy entemam conceive la matorenam mai. Number 4, the Foundation Day of Laws have been celebrated on 20th of November every year, alternatively at 2 villages, that is Pakam and Kabu, in a simple but respectable way. Una celebrate tore nama, loken go detem de postpone la ko nirminalu upon side do yodo amla ibo nirminahin ija adag de munangun pichai mumla in 20th do elper mudna. Number 5, amidst the normal activities of the society, a biennial picnic was also conducted in a befitting manner at Ranagat area at the river bank of Mighty Yongo River on 20th November 2023, commemorating our 28th Foundation Day. Here, one of our senior members, Sri Mindoloi ADC Kalaktam, donated 1 hobo in the picnic. Therefore, I, on behalf of Law's executive member, would like to extend a profound thankfulness to Sri Mindoloi ADC. 2023 picnic donam hobo nguga abo Mindoloi ADC mu donation bajito imangunu mugam akajan dakna thankful dakna. Apart from the above targeted works of the society, many social works were undertaken during our tenure functioning as executive member of the society. Just after 4 months of assuming the chair of executive member, a blood donation program was being participated at General Hospital Alo in the name of Pan Arunachal Blood Donation Camp in honor of Dr. Let Mingaloi, former president of GWS, on 11 May 2022. Mun January lo charge la nani lo May lo social activity moka mila. I feel it as a privilege to ask Galo Welfare Society at the nguga abolet mingle oiga amen lo blood donation go camp iduda blood ga damla pla nima iralakma nam bemar nam emergency nam jitba am tapagela un मीटिंग दो दोला आप लोग हम लोग सब लोग मीटिंग करके आलो होटल पे कि व्हाई नॉट वी आल्सो कम फॉरवर्ड मुसिन आला ब्लड जिला बोलो अल्दू नरुआ तोल पे दाला in the 11 members of laws donated 1 unit each to the blood bank of general hospital alo awlo 1 unit blood mun jitena ma ngoga members gadda in the ogo blood jinna Remy Loy general secretary laws Dr. Zomi Loy, Principal, Sri Karvaloi, Secretary Finance, Sri Gurken Loy, Kendak Loy, Mepin Loy, Doba Loy, AGS Laws, Nyamar Loy, Nyaken Loy, Mimar Loy, Ok Nyamo Loy. Uno, blood and Zilla of fruits and light food were also served to the volunteers of GWS and the donors. Apa saya oksin idumi pala lok volunteer GWS gadam ne. Ogo izin namne uno apa sa arrange la itenamma as a gesture of mana nuga inyaba. The other second type of social works undertaken by laws are rendering of financial help to co-members on medical exigency and other natural calamity like fire accident cases by way of mass donation by members. During medical exigency of late Hogam Loy, GB of Kabu village, an amount of rupees 4,67,111 were contributed as a help by our co-members. Here, many of our lowland brothers also volunteered donation as per their wish. We are highly obliged to them. One such generous help was extended to Master Karmar Loyu, son of Jumkar Loyu, Masi village, when he was admitted at Negrims. An amount of rupees 1,09,601 was generated as medical aid. The third case was helping to Sri Markaloy, Kabu village, when his house was gutted by fire on 7th September 2022. 2022 lo yapa alipto pura gundu in la into the amount of rupees 90,500 was generated as a help. Of the record, laws members, executive members had been in touch with the co-members during the need of ours. During the conference of Loya Clan at Kabu on 24 February 2023, our society had arranged lunch for them by way of donation. This good gesture of ours have been felt very much obliged by Loya people. With this elaborated official reports as an outgoing General Secretary, I would say that all the above activities could be achieved due to our joint efforts, and therefore I am thankful to all the executive members as well as our society members. And lastly, financial हमारे laws के financial help वो अजीना में पाजिल पर मौजूद. The purpose fund of laws which had been received from previous executive members is rupees 11,12,085. This amount is kept intact in the bank account of laws. We have not spent a penny from that. The membership fee are in the hand of collectors, which needs to be updated very soon. It has not been deposited to executive member. So the targeted tasks which were last laws adopt them, we tasked everything and which should gya ho. I wish the new executive members to complete in a better way. Thank you. And I submit this.
Mimar Loy.
Good afternoon. मेरा नाम दोगुम लोई है. मेरा जनरेशन 21 है. आज हम लोई वेलफेयर सोसाइटी वाले घूमने जा रहे हैं. ये हमेशा हर 3 साल में होता है क्योंकि हम लोग का सर काबू मासिया पाकाम से देखिए अच्छा लगा कि अपना रिलेटिव लोग आए कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये कॉन्फ्रेंस इसलिए होता है कि हम लोग अपने रिलेटिव सबको जान सके और अपने एंसेस्टर का बारे में जान सके।
Good evening, Ingnaruan. Welcome to Mima Loy, son of Lumi Loy, Generation 21.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mika Loy. My father's name is Remy Loy. My mother's name is Mebam Loy. I'm from Kabu village. I study in class 9 at VKV Itanagar. Naruam Logamba Menga inam Banga inam Ujikam Abu Anna Asia Bergadam Ngoilo Loi Ga Ali inam Menjie Paktu Tunik Nigo Goa Alo Loi Yular Larni Niho Niso Omin Mindo Doyor Yorja Jangom Nomji Jior Yorgam Gamku Kure Ngok Ujega Ngok Uje Kurega Awada Ngok Abgada Abo Relu Loi Late Redak Loi Remy Loi Late Remo Loi Rejum Loi Ngo Remy ga au Mika na Ngo Loi ga Generation 20 na. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Miss Mopi Loi. I'm standard of class 12 student. I'm studying GHSS Alo. Ngo kamda Miss Mopi Loi hai. Ngo go nunu samne lo piloga ngonoga piloga alogam me tabado ai. Ngonoga higa loi au conference inam higi ngomaj alde bamadu. Ngonoga loi au conference inam ngun aga jaga ngono ana abo au gadamun kasen itu ngono nyami gadamun kasen itu ai. Amba ngun future lo sinamba iyom ngono agagyo matlab ngono ga awgad ngono asabar awgad ngun kahen la yesidu Hiloga inam ga dam kayo ngono tolka kabu tolka anabo idu ngono asabar idu Apo ang ngun hilo ka ngun kasen na yedu ai. Amba mayo ngun loi ka ngun conference yo ka mayo ngun niya kahen la yeti maga. O ka future lo singun ija niya ngun badalo ka polo are hi ngun abo ko anna ko are hi asa ko ngun abra ko ka ngun kasen hidu. Ngun amba conference yo iliyom ngun aga niga tam alba kasen la yeye. Okay, nun badalo karik hiyam sinunda ekak maye matlab badalo karik hiyam sinun are hingok abo pul kam na badalo no amba mata ignore ma ba ambai abum kasen hilai yesilai okay higa hirga kan mangun hirga lelai pura nguno asa abbo ye bam hidu amuna ka ngun ka pura matlab Apa kau mulut na itu? Ngono at ida ngono gaja kakam kriyom ngono paktu tu go goa alo Paktu tu go alo loi yulalani niyo yona nito topo polo losi hisi Gikal Ambangun ke yang ngono aga jiji kadam akagat ngono jiji kadam ke pahidu ai oklega ngunda conference samda e ngunda tu ija hingono port loi our conference mangun hambai future lo sin hambai inya bolongun kabam lasin ja okani ga damun ka ja busy nasin ka duai mun agum lo yen nasin ka du मुनो इजाज़िन मतलब कोई नहीं का दका है मानिंग सिका दो मुन क्योंकि मुन बिजी ला ये ला इजाज़िन वो आना मुन आदो आसी मुन आदो मुन नम सिन गम दका है नहीं माई इजाज़ मुन कॉन्फ्रेंस लो कान में वो कासे नहीं दो को अरे हिंगोक आने हिंगोक आसी है एम भाई पूछे लो सिन मुन इबा पर लागे थैंक यू
एम आओ गाते अब गाते ही मौके के माने एग्जाम के बाद डॉक्टर मेंस के बाद माने नून परफॉर्मेंस को छोड़ के नून यहाँ में मतलब स्टेज हो न कंपटीशन लो पार्टिसिपेट है नून जो हिम्मत किया है अगर कागेला ममाजी मुझे कहनेला अन्य देवेशन इसको बहुत बड़ा ये प्राइज को नून मुझे लगा और फ्यूचर में उसी तरह से हिम्मत रखो एमबीएम मुन्ने देशन आगे बढ़िए और उन लो या दुनिया के सामने लो उन ऐसे दो बनूं नहीं है थैंक यू आई मीन मैं आके डॉक्टर मगवाजी का प्लीज
Hey, public here, no. Okay, make a lawyer. Hey, public here, no. Come. Okay, talk with lawyer. Okay, more people lawyer.
हर चीज नो किताबों पामाई कुछ कुछ चीज आपको एक्सपीरियंस करके ही सीखेगा ही अमन नम सिंह एप्रिशिएट दागना होगा हिक्सिन का नंबर ऑल ऑफ एसर नहीं इम हिन रूनो मावेनी इले क्या इबेनी अमन आदला होग न्यूमोंग गकिन जिन में यही सबसे बड़ा बात है हम थर्ड अंपाना आउट ऑफ 140 50 को स्कोर तो है ये कब कुमा तो गुमलो ये नो फर्स्ट सॉरी थर्ड को आई अली अगोई दूध का ले यो कामा ओके बे ngो सेकंड हम किलें जे सेकंड आउट ऑफ 140 82 को स्कोर तो है हिगिम सिन नून गेस्ट लादो ये कुबदे ये या कुमा मिकालो ये हे सेकंड पोजीशन हम पाका नो इन अलकम इधर जीत का लखेन हुआ इंडियन का दबे मिकालो ये ओके फर्स्ट पोजीशन है आउट ऑफ 140 91 को स्कोर तो है ये या कुमा मिस मोपिलो ये हम आप थैंक यू अकेजा नोने जाएगा